Hi, my name is Wyatt Chagin. I'm a project engineer here at Domino Sugar. Behind me is 35 kilowatt array solar panels. And then up above there are 4 silos that hold 14 million pounds of white sugar. 3 things I love about working in the sugar industry. Number 1 is the people that I work with. Number 2, the good paying jobs that are in the industry. And number 3, we provide an important ingredient for everybody's home. My favorite way to eat sugar is sugar cookies, one of my favorite cookies of all time. Nothing's better than those. What a lot of people don't realize about sugar cane is that it's been used as a sweetener for thousands of years, and it grows in states like Texas, Louisiana, Florida, and other warm parts around the world. I love the people that I work with, the good paying jobs that are in this industry, and the fact that we're able to produce something made in America. Happy Real Sugar Day!